Hello friends, this is Jatin Shrivastava with Online SEO blog. Well, till date we have covered a lot about Urban Clap. Started with Urban Clap business model, then job profiles, then HR based interview questions, how to apply for the job, and today we will cover the cover letter part and then the resume part. Let's get started. First of all, what is a cover letter? How to frame a personalized cover letter, and is it worth to submit a cover letter? All these questions we will answer today. What is a cover letter? Cover letter basically show what do you know about the company, what do you know about the role at which you are applying, and the responsibility. And is it worth to apply for a cover letter? Yes, it is, because it showcases that you have spent time knowing about the company. You have spent time knowing about the responsibility for which they are hiring. Hence, they show to the HR as well. Hence, you get an extra mark as compared to other candidates who have not submitted their cover letter. What to include in a cover letter? Do not make it lengthy, first of all. Make it short, make it personalized, make it targeted. Start with greetings. Do not brag about yourself. Showcase knowledge about the product or services. Map the relevant skill. Add a call to action. Let me share a live example as well. So what I did, if you people recall, over the career section of Urban Clap, I navigated to this particular opening for you people and basically read about it. And then what I did, I copied all these sections and then I basically framed this resume come cover letter sample. And then what I did, I understood the role. I bold all the keywords or the key phrases that are very much relevant to the role for which Urban Clap is hiring. What I did, once I bolded them, then I started framing my cover letter. As said earlier, first of all, you need to start with a greeting that thank you so much for sharing the job details. And then you need to showcase your knowledge about the company, that I know that Urban Company expertise in connected seeker with professionals. Who are those professionals? The beauty and wellness, large home projects and home repair. Now, what is the advantage? Because you are applying for a sales role, then you must showcase the knowledge that how you're going to pitch about Urban Lab to the customer. That why is it important to have Urban Company app installed in your system or in your Android phone or iPhone? Because they provide on-demand service. They provide instant support. They provide experienced professionals, web and app based availability, 30-day service guarantee. Now, what are you trying to showcase? You're trying to showcase that I have read about not only about Urban Company in depth, and then I have also listed my experience here based on the required responsibilities. These are all the responsibilities which they have listed in the job section. I Here you can see I have bolded them here and then I have framed them here as well. Then a call to action that I and my two-wheeler is ready to join immediately the growing environment of Urban Company. Now from where I picked this call to action. I picked this call to action basically from here. They have written that we are looking for candidates who can handle work pressure and target pressure, ready for work 12 to 12 hours for their growth and incentive. And they have mentioned that on two-wheeler is mandatory. Hence I showcase them that I am ready with my two-wheeler and I am ready to join immediately as well, because they are saying that will get preference who are immediate joinees. I have tried my best by preparing this cover letter and showcasing my knowledge about the company, about the responsibility with a call to action. Now it would be your responsibility as well to go through the business model of the company. The video is in the I section to understand this part, and then through the job description you will understand this part, and then a call to action. So this is about the cover letter. In the next video presentation we will have a resume part covered as well. Best channel to apply for the job is already covered. Go through the I section please. Please like our work, spread a word about us, will be appreciated. Thank you so much.